Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best GoPro helmet is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of gear for any action sports enthusiast or content creator looking to capture their adventures from a unique, first-person perspective, offering unparalleled stability and immersive footage that puts the viewer right in the middle of the action, making every jump, ride, or dive feel incredibly real and exciting. Number 5. Motorcycle Helmet Chin Strap Mount for Action Cameras. Capture every thrilling moment of your ride with this versatile chin strap mount. It's designed for ultimate stability and ease of use. Crafted from premium, durable materials, this mount is built for repeated use. Enjoy reliable performance and stable camera mounting on all your journeys. The adjustable strap design ensures a snug and secure fit on your helmet's chin. Easily tighten or loosen it with the buckle for perfect positioning. Featuring a convenient J-hook, attaching and removing your camera is a breeze. It seamlessly connects with a variety of accessories to suit your needs. The flexible silicone base adapts perfectly to your helmet's surface. Its anti-shock and anti-slip design guarantees clear, steady footage every time. This mount is compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro, DJI Osmo Action, and Insta360 models. It's the ideal accessory for motorcycle enthusiasts. What we like. This mount is built with premium materials for long-lasting use and a stable hold. Its adjustable strap and silicone base ensure a secure fit on most helmets. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast looking for a reliable and straightforward chin mount that works with a wide range of action cameras, this is a great option. What people say. Works great for my little GoPro 5 session. Easy to take off one helmet and move to another if need be. GoPro footage is nice and smooth, and the camera feels quite sturdy when riding. Been up to 70 miles per hour, with no problems. I have a BLT Raptor full-face motorcycle helmet and this product will withstand wind when on the highway. I only drive up to 80 to 90 miles per hour and have a cruiser. What I also like about this product is that I'm not just limited to using my GoPro with one helmet, I can use it on others. This product fits the bill perfectly in that it allows me to customize the camera position while not being a permanent modification. One minor issue is that the straps it's impossible to close the visor completely. But in a way that's a feature not a bug in that it allows a nice cool breeze of air in for those hot days. And for the cold days it helps prevent fogging. Attached is a sample GoPro run with the chin mount. It holds really well and never had problems with it falling off. Number 4. SUREWO Motorcycle Helmet Chin Mount Kit. Introducing the SUREWO Motorcycle Helmet Chin Mount Kit, designed for capturing your adventures from every perspective. This versatile mount is compatible with a wide range of action cameras. Featuring a unique multi-joint design, it allows for 180-degree rotation of each joint, secured by adjustable screws. This ensures you can find the perfect angle for your shots. With both curved and flat adhesive mounts, plus industrial-strength waterproof sticky pads, you can securely attach your camera to various helmet surfaces. Remember to let it set for 24 hours after installation for optimal adhesion. For added peace of mind, a safety rope buckle provides dual protection for your camera. A convenient wrench is included to easily adjust most screws. This kit includes a J-hook mount, allowing you to attach your camera to the chin, side, or top of your helmet. It's also perfect for mounting on skis, surfboards, and more, giving you ultimate creative freedom. As a specialized accessory from a trusted technology company, this mount is built to withstand your most demanding adventures. Explore the world and capture it all with confidence. What we like. This kit offers exceptional flexibility with its 4 rotatable joints, allowing you to position your camera at almost any angle. It also includes a safety rope for added security. If you want to experiment with various shooting perspectives on your motorcycle or even other sports gear, and appreciate the peace of mind from dual protection, this is the mount for you. What people say. This mount held on during a freeway accident at 80 miles per hour, sliding across the freeway and grinding down metal. The mount didn't come off the helmet and the pieces stayed intact and didn't break or bend, maintaining its set position. It's very sturdy and the sticky pads are amazing. It's 3M adhesive and insanely strong. I've been on the highway multiple times at high speeds and it doesn't budge. The metal pieces and links are very sturdy and well made. This is nice, sturdy aluminum construction that is also lightweight. The multiple pivot points allow you to position your camera how you want it. The adhesive is very strong, even with partial contact on a convex helmet, it is very secure. Number 3. GoPro Vented Helmet Strap. Introducing the GoPro Vented Helmet Strap, designed for ultimate convenience. It attaches seamlessly to any vented helmet, ensuring your gear stays put. Experience quick and easy setup with its adjustable strap. You'll be ready to capture your next adventure in no time. This strap offers a one-size-fits-all solution for helmets. It's designed to accommodate a wide range of headwear. Whether you're biking, skiing, or climbing, this accessory provides a stable mount for your GoPro. Focus on the thrill, not on your equipment. Get the most out of your adventures with this essential mounting solution. It's the perfect companion for any action camera enthusiast. What we like. This mount is specifically designed for helmets with vents, making installation a breeze. Its adjustable strap ensures a quick and secure fit on virtually any vented helmet. If you own a vented helmet and need a simple, no-fuss solution for attaching your action camera, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The GoPro helmet mount is easy to install and adjust, allowing for a secure fit on various helmet types. It provides a stable platform for the camera, minimizing shake and producing smooth footage even during high-impact activities. The low-profile design ensures it doesn't add significant bulk or interfere with the helmet's protective function. Number 2. GoPro Helmet Front Plus Side Mount. Capture every angle with this versatile front and side helmet mount. It offers maximum adjustability for a variety of shots. We've included an integrated mounting buckle that's easier to use than ever before. Get set up and ready to film in no time. This kit comes with everything you need, including a swivel mount, QR, and various screws. You'll have the perfect setup for any situation. Don't worry about compatibility. It works seamlessly with all GoPro Hero cameras. This is an official GoPro mount, ensuring the quality and reliability you expect. Mount it securely and focus on your adventure. What we like. This official GoPro accessory provides maximum adjustability for capturing a wide array of shots and angles from your helmet. It features an easier-to-use integrated mounting buckle for quick setup. If you're invested in the GoPro ecosystem and want the most versatile mounting options for dynamic shots from the front or sides of your helmet, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The mount is very adjustable and user-friendly, but if you use this, please get yourself a more solid adhesive to hold it to the helmet. I use SUREWO myself, which is available here on Amazon. That stuff is like putty and easily malleable to the shape of the mount, and once it dries, it is rock solid and there's no worry about the mount falling off. Highly recommend this mount. The mount is much more curved than the dash, so the middle portion doesn't adhere. That being said, that corners that did adhere are sticking super strong. The quality of the mount is also phenomenal. Sturdy pieces, and held my Hero 7 in place without budging for 40 miles of rough forest roads from Mount Rainier to I-90. I've got this mount attached to my autocross helmet and it works great along with my Hero 11 to capture where I'm looking and also the interior of the car so I can see what inputs I'm making, etc. I used to always mount my camera onto the car itself, but I'm really liking the perspective this mount gives me by having it see almost what I'm seeing. Number 1. Motorcycle Helmet Chin Mount Kit for Action Cameras. Designed specifically for motorcyclists, this kit offers unparalleled versatility. It's your perfect companion for capturing every ride from a unique perspective. Featuring a multi-joint design with 180-degree rotation, you can easily adjust the angle for the perfect shot. It adapts to your needs, ensuring you get the best footage. Record your adventures from the top or side of your helmet. This mount provides the ultimate solution for capturing dynamic motorcycle footage. With both curved and flat adhesive mounts and industrial-strength sticky pads, it attaches securely to your helmet. You can ride with confidence, knowing your camera is safe. For added security, a safety rope buckle provides dual protection for your camera. An included wrench helps you adjust all screws for a perfect fit. This mount is compatible with popular action cameras like GoPro, DJI, Acaso, and more. It's the all-in-one solution for your recording needs. What we like. This kit is tailor-made for motorcyclists, offering a multifunctional solution with adjustable joints for diverse camera placements. It includes both curved and flat adhesive mounts for different helmet surfaces and a safety rope for extra security. If you're a rider looking for a comprehensive kit that allows for extensive customization of your camera's position and offers multiple mounting options, this is the one to consider. What people say. The GoPro is a great camera for capturing action shots. It is very durable and can withstand rough use. The video quality is excellent, with sharp images and vibrant colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.